How to fix NFL Sunday Ticket error code 500. Error code 500 usually means NFL Sunday Ticket servers are overloaded or down, your request isn't reaching the server correctly, or sometimes can be caused due to cached or broken session data on your device or browser. For this, open the current browser that you are using, click on the three-line icon at the top right corner and select Settings. From the left panel, click on Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. Now select All Time in Time Range and click on Delete Data to delete your cache and data. After this, try again to see if that works. If not, give your device a quick restart. After restarting your device, some minor issues like these might get fixed, or you can just try a new or a different web browser. Additionally, you can even use your mobile to see if it's working or not. This way you will have a clear overview of where the problem is arising. If it's still not working, then it's recommended to wait for some time before trying again. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.